What's up everybody, it's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2013 Vulcan, Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero. It is the 1700, it is the V-twin as you can see there, and we're going to take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close. Start there, the rear tire. It's a little hard to see, but it's got decent tread, I'll call it 50%. I got your exhaust sticking out there, turn signal, tail light. You guys know the drill. I'm going to go over some stuff that might seem a little bit basic, because if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're interested in this particular bike. I want to make sure you see all the little things. So this is an interesting paint scheme. I like it. It's kind of like a flat black with a little bit of flake in it, so it gives it a good little pop. There are some light scuffs on here, like here and here. One of the nicer things about this bike is it does have the backrest for the passenger and for the rider. Here on the side of the bags, you can see that there's some light white specks. I am not sure what that is. I'm not sure what it would take to get those off, but they are there. Got your passenger peg there. You can see the exhaust coming down out of the motor and going out there. Got your rider floorboard, your brake. Again, there's the V-twin 1700 like I was talking about at the beginning. This motor looks like it's in nice shape. I forget how many miles this bike has on it. But it's a nice little bike, or nice big bike actually. You got the highway pegs there. As you can see, it has these leather wind deflectors down here, which would be nice if you're riding in the cold weather. Keep it off your legs. Got the 12 volt there. Don't miss out on that. The tank's in good shape. I don't see anything that is major in this tank, but there's some light scrapes right in here that I want you to see. Come around here to the front. You can see the headlight and tail light. It's got the kind of the faux vents there, where some of the models have the auxiliary lights. There's your front fender. Front fender's in nice shape. Nothing to be worried about there. Got your black fork tubes there. Down to your front brake on that side. There. Down to your front brake on this side. See your front tire there. Again, it's worn down. Kind of like the back, I'm going to call it like 40% or so. There you can see the black front wheel. Coming around on this side. Again, you see there's some light scrapes up here on top of the front fairing. Got those leather wind deflectors, got the highway pegs, the rider floorboards with the toe shifter and the heel shifter. This baby is 6-speed. A little bit of wear right there that I want to point out. Look at the motor from the side. Motors are going to be in really nice shape. There's your passenger peg there. Back into your exhaust there on the bags. One of the weird things about these bikes that, I guess it's a nice safety feature, because it would be almost impossible, or would be impossible to lock your keys in the bags. You actually have to have the key in here and turn to open the bag. So it's always in a locked position unless the key is in there. There's your radio antenna. Again, we already talked about the backrest. There's your passenger seat, backrest for the rider. There's a slight tear right there and that. The rest of the seats are going to be in nice shape though. Coming up over the top, got your clutch, all your radio controls, throttle, brake, mirror. And here in the gauges, I like these retro looking gauges. Turn this thing on, you can see them sweep. There you go, 19,292 miles. There'll be a few more after the test drive. Make sure you check out the test drive if you're interested in this bike. The one thing I want to point out is in here on this radio display actually does not come on. The radio itself works. So there's volume. Let me just tune it. So there you got some music there. I'm gonna turn that back down. But the radio does work, but this display does not come on. Let's fire this thing up so you guys can hear it run. Shut that down. Let's make sure these turn signals work. Got your front signal there. front two on that side. Jump back to the back, make sure those work. Yes, that one does. And yes, that one does. All right, guys, like I said, this is a 2013 Kawasaki Vaquero. It's got 19,000 miles on it, runs well. Just remember that that little display in there does not work. Other than that, it's a really nice motorcycle, and thanks so much for watching.